Flu cases are climbing across the country, and health experts warn this season is shaping up to be one of the worst they have seen in decades. Recent CDC data shows 45 states are experiencing high to very high levels of flu activity. Doctors say a fast-spreading strain is driving more ER visits as well. And flu season is getting worse here as well, and a local hospital is working to limit the spread of the virus. KREM 2's Brandon T. Jones spoke with Providence Sacred Heart about what they are seeing this season.
Yeah, well, right now there's about two sides of the trends here when it comes to flu season. This time last year, the numbers were much higher, but over the last month or so, we're starting to see those numbers gradually rise for respiratory illnesses. And since we're in the thick of winter right now, local health officials, they're always monitoring these cases, trying to do anything they can to just mitigate and prevent any further spread of any of these respiratory illnesses. So at Providence Sacred Heart, over the next at least few weeks, what they're going to be doing is having some policies here in place. Right now, visiting hours, they've been limited now to 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. if you have to go and visit the hospital. And then as of this week, visitors under the age of 18 are not allowed in various departments throughout Providence clinics and hospitals. Officials tell us there are exceptions and to check in with local hospital staffing about those exceptions. Also, if you're taking a trip or visiting anyone in the hospital, you'll have to follow the current masking guidelines in place.
Sure, our trends are mirroring national trends. It's starting to peak, and we're probably about 3 or 4 weeks away from our peak in Washington State, but we're hitting a percentage of emergency department visits that are being diagnosed as influenza that leads us to want to protect our patients within the hospital as well as our staff, which is why we've started our masking policy.
Also, according to the Spokane Regional Health District, as mentioned, flu numbers are lower right now, but again, over the last month, they've seen those numbers start to rise. So remember, you can do things to help prevent the spread as well, simply as washing your hands. And then also, if you're feeling sick, stay home. That also helps to prevent any spread of illness. For now, though, reporting here in Spokane, Brandon T. Jones, KREM 2 News.